Just like you are able to do wiring, and there's somebody who act like an inspector, the police inspector. You understand? What does the inspector do? The inspector sees what the electrician you have done as against what the law says. Do you get it? So what you have done, the man are wiring as against what the law says. Because we believe that the law has outlined all the necessary things that needs to be put in place for us to have a safe and sound electrical system. Aside that, you can use your own discretions and stuff like that to get it. So what are these forms do? These forms, they are just to help you. It's a guide. Oh, yeah. Now you see on the form, you see item 1. Item 1, 1.1. Item 1, 1.1. Who also needs one? You're okay. Item 1, it says service cable. Well, what is a service cable? In internet. Service cable media.
What?
Okay. So now it's saying that we have to check the service cable, okay? Either it's in a good condition or not. Then it says service head. What is service head? Okay. Distribution board installed. Okay. So now, this is the beautiful thing about the whole thing. In as much as we have a guide, the customer has also provided a guide specification because they also have their own engineers. So now they want the installation, the wiring done here to follow a particular pattern. You get it? So now what they're going to do, we are going to see what they have instructed them to do as against the law and then against our discretion. In as much as we have a guide, the customer has also provided a guide specification because they also have their own engineers. So now they want the installation, the wiring done here to follow a particular pattern. You get it? So now what they're going to do, we are going to see what they have instructed them to do as against the law and then against our discretion. You understand? Because you can say something that, as an engineer, can say something that is not in line with the LI 2008. You get the point? So it says that earthing arrangement. So let's start with that. Earthing arrangement. So earthing arrangement then starts from two things. Let me write at the back of. But the people I'm going to go to now. Earthing arrangement starts from CPC. CPC. I think I've mentioned this word before. Hey. Okay. I'll mention it today again. So this is the CPC, this one. That's called CPC. It is called circuit protective conductor. Circuit protective conductor. In other words, it protects the circuit against leakage current. When there's a leakage current, instead of it to circulate in the system, this CPC helps you carry it away.